the task given to you. Section B would again be a 30 marks. This will include your the visual design, the color, the typography you have used, and the presentation of your design. Section C, that would be of 10 mark, 20 marks, sorry, and that will include have you considered the right resolution of the layout which has been asked to you, and the color correct layout dimensions, which is like the width and height you have considered the correct. And what else? It will also have the context, all the context which has been provided to you, content. So have you used those things or not? Section D, this would be of 10 marks. So this will include have you taken the correct color mode, which will be either CMYK or RGB, that will be there in your question paper. And also it will include the bleed. So yesterday I was talking about the color bleed. So it was not about the color bleed, it's basically about the layout bleed. So what bleed is like, if for example they have asked you to design a poster in A3 sheet, and they are asking you to have a 3 mm bleed in a A3 sheet, or 3 mm bleed. So 3 mm bleed would be, you take a A3 sheet, A3 layout basically, and you will give a 3 mm extra space on all sides, right? So that would be like a 6 mm width wise, it would be an extra space, and 6 mm height wise there would be an extra space. A3 plus 3 mm extra space on all the sides. So that will help in the printing process. So that is what blade is. Blade is just like an extra space you're giving to your artboard. And last section is section A, that would be again 10 marks. This would include that the format which you have given, the final format would be PDF or the source file. Is that correct? And in the folder which you will include all your designs, is you have included all the files. So this will be total 100 marks. Any questions, guys? You have, like, is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Cool. So do you have any questions or any confusion before you start with your exams? No. So Tejo, should we start?
Yes, sir. We'll start it. I'll be posting the question paper, students, to your WhatsApp group. I'll be posting the question paper there. You'll be getting a zip file which will consist the question paper itself, and also the supporting materials, images, and the text details which you should be included in the poster. Okay, so the first task will be of creating a poster. So you'll be getting the inputs totally depending on. Okay, topic has been given detailedly in the question paper itself, right? It's being uploaded in the WhatsApp group. In the meanwhile, I request by calling your name, I'll ask you your ID proof. So please just say your name and show your ID proof to the camera so that I can capture your candidacy. Right. The first one will be Sheikh Shabazz.
Yes, sir.
Sheikh Shabazz. Yes. Please show your ID proof, like whether you're having Aadhaar card or anything. Show your ID proof and say your name. Very good.
Sheikh Shahbaz Anand.
think your screen is not visible. I think your cam is turned on.
Is it visible, sir?
No.
Can I upload a photo, sir?
Yes,
Tejo,
you can
I
share.
can see it clearly. I think
Okay, sir. Okay, okay. I think I
also
would have.
there is some issue, voice issue at from your end. It is like
My end, sir. Okay, sir. I'll try to solve.
okay.
Okay, sir.
Should I need
Yes, sir. Okay, Shabazz.
to send the photo, sir?
Yes, yes. Send the photo in. Send to my personal details. You are having my personal also, right? Send it to me. Right. And next one is Aishwarya. Also, could you please give your name and sure.
Yes, sir.
Please say your name for the record and show your ID proof.
Aishwarya Conchada, sir.
Right. Next one, Prabalika.
Yes, sir.
Right.
I'm Pravalika Aitanpeti. I'm in this Nepal.
Okay. And next one is Sadhika. Yeah, a little bit. Can you increase your voice a little bit? Right. Okay. So remaining persons, I was having a little bit of network issue here. Okay, just upload your documents to my personal number. You're having my number in your WhatsApp. So please upload it there. I can take care of it. And remaining persons only, I think some of you have turned on your cameras, but I think up to members have not turned on theirs. Please turn on your cameras throughout the session. Okay, so I think question paper has been uploaded to your WhatsApp group. Okay, so please download it and extract the details. You'll be having the question paper reference materials and also the text details totally in that only. And you can start your exam. Sir, shall we start it, right?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, you can go ahead, students. You can start your exam. And also this thing is, Sir will ask some questions in the middle of the sessions while you are doing to present the screen. I'll give you the permission to share your screens also. When the Sir asks about it, you share it. You share your screen and um, make a modification according to Sir what I've said to you. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
You can start your exam.
Good luck, guys.
Shabazz, please share your screen once.
Okay, sir. Is it visible, sir?
Yes, it's visible. Go ahead. We'll tell you when to stop.
Okay, sir.
Please do your design. Shabazz, you can close your screen and you can go ahead. You can continue.
Okay, sir.
Aishwarya, please share your screen. Can you turn it horizontally? Means I need to see your whole screen. Please turn your camera over. Yes, like that. Little bit upward. Right. Okay, thank you. You can go ahead. Sadhika, please share your screen. Yeah, it's visible. Yes, you can stop and you can go ahead with your design.
Thank you.
Pravalika, please turn on your share, screen share.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, it's visible. Right. You can turn off your screen and you can go ahead with your design.
Thank you.
Next, coming to Sweetie, can you please share your screen? Okay, thank you, Sweetie. You can continue with your teaching. Right, students, you have been using all the images itself. Please try to add the text also. So whatever the text file we have given, Word document lo text ఉంటుందండి, text కూడా యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. Okay, so question paper లో instructions ఉన్నాయి. Please once check the instructions. Question paper లో ఉంటుంది. Images తో పాటు you need to add the text also in the poster itself. Okay, right. Thank you. Okay, students, I think it's already 2.5 hours completed for your examination. Please try to save whatever the content you have created till now. I'll just try to present my screen. Once see my screen. So are you getting my screen here?
Yes, Raj.
Yes, okay. So here you're having a points. Yes, you must deliver, right? So whatever the poster you have created till now, you need to give us the final composite PDF file and also X1A 2005. Okay, so whatever the points specified here, including bleed, drop, crop marks, registration marks, and specified output file. Okay, right, and also the font for archiving. So whatever the fonts you have used, linked images and press ready PDF. Okay, so these two files you should create, and also you should complete the Photoshop file of the poster design. Okay, and the file should be saved in just a second. Okay, try do one thing. Create the name like this, like what is that we have given? Incredible India, right? So keep the Incredible India as the title of the file, and give the PDF file and also the X1E 2000 file also, and make it as a zip. Okay, make it as a zip file and mail me it. Okay, and after within 5 minutes we'll start the one-on-one Viva type of questions. Okay, so finalize your design within 5 minutes. Is it clear? Is it clear to you?
It's clear, sir.
Okay, complete your design within 5 minutes and save the file format as specified. And after completing it, mail it to me. Okay, so make a zip file out of these two modules and mail that zip file to me. Okay, we'll evaluate at the end of the session, right? And within from 12:45 you will be having a one-on-one Viva questions with regarding the poster design what we have done. Okay, right. Thank you.
Tejo, students are asking about the email ID. Chat.
Yes, sir. I'll provide them the email ID.
Okay, cool.
Yes, okay, students. We'll start the one-on-one Viva questions now. We'll start one-on-one Viva. I request you to all leave the session immediately and join one by one. We'll give the we'll close this room and we'll ask one by one. Okay. I'm been locking the meeting. Please go out of the meeting and try to join. We'll admit each and everyone personally. Right? Okay. Is it right, sir?
Yeah. It's fine with
Okay.
me.
Ma'am. Sadvika and Sweetie, you two please leave the session and join again. Yeah, everyone, Aishwarya and also Bhavan. Sir, we can start from Sweetie, Elati Sweetie. I
Sure.
think I think you have already adapted the structure for now.
Sorry.
I think you have already drafted the structure for marking at your end.
Structure as in?
Means the marking criteria you have already.
Yeah,
done
I
it,
have
right?
that. Yeah.
Right. Okay. You can start this.
So, Tejo, one thing, do I need to mark
Yes.
right now or will it happen after the call?
That is up to you, sir. If you, I mean, so if you keep it as
I mean,
a reminder, if you keep
Yeah, I mean,
remember
it would be
then
better if I
yes.
look at the design later on.
Yeah,
I'll just
that's
have
right.
some few questions with them.
Yes, sure.
Yeah, okay. So, hi, sweetie. Can you share your screen and once? Yeah. Okay. So, sweetie, what is the composition size here? You are on mute. Yeah.
33 mm, sir.
How much?
33 mm.
Okay, and the resolution?
250, 300, sir.
Okay, and which color mode have you used?
Sir?
Color mode?
CMYK, sir.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So you can leave the room. So should we bring in another student?
Yes, sir. Yeah. And Sweetie, you can leave the session. We'll be posting the details for the second round in a WhatsApp. In the meanwhile, have your lunch.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Should I admit Bhavani?
I've already initiated, sir.
Yeah, okay. Bhavani, can you please share your screen?
Bhavani, are you there? Okay, sir. We'll keep our essay side and we'll move on
Okay.
to the next one. Sir, person came, sir. Pravalika is there.
Yeah.
Pravalika, please turn on your cam and please present your screen to sir.
Am I visible, sir?
Yeah, your camera is okay. Please share your screen.
Yes, sure. So this is my poster design.
Pravalika, can you tell me what is the composition size here?
Sir, it's A4 and I use bleed 3 millimeters. A3, sorry.
A3, okay. And what is the resolution you have kept?
300 resolution. That's all.
Okay. And what is the color mode?
It's CMYK.
Okay. And what is the font you are using?
It's a normal simple font and it's an Algerian font.
No, for the paragraph. Is this Comic Sans?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Pravalika, you can leave the session now and wait for the next round.
Yeah,
Means
sure.
next text paper. Wait for the next text. You can meanwhile you can go ahead.
Can you get the mail ID of Mr.
I'll
Shivam?
just post it again here. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Sir, we are having another person, Sadvika. Sadvika, please turn on your camera and display your screen. Please, unmute yourself and present your screen to sir.
Sadhvika, can you please share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you have muted yourself.
Yeah, sorry. Sadvika, is it not complete yet?
Yes, sir. It's
Okay,
in middle. It's not completed till now.
all right. Okay. So what is the composition size you have kept?
Sir,
Composition size?
A3 and with 3 portraits.
Okay. And what is the resolution?
300, sir.
And what is the color code you're having?
YK.
Sorry?
CMYK.
Okay. Cool. Okay, you continue with your work. Try to complete this soon.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Sadhvika. Sadhvika, you can leave the room.
You can leave, Sadhika, and be ready for the next round. We'll be giving in the WhatsApp group. Sir, next person is Aishwarya. Aishwarya, please turn on your camera and display your screen too, sir. Also unmute yourself.
Sir, can you see me?
It's not very clear to look at your screen though. Anyways, that's fine. Aishwarya, can you tell me what is the composition size you have kept?
Sir,
What is the composition size?
sir, I can't hear your voice. Can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you.
Excuse me, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, Aishwarya, what is the composition size you have kept?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Sir, I can't hear you.
Okay. Can you see your chat? Should I message you?
Yeah.
Great.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Check your message.
What is the composition size of your design?
Right.
Sir, it's A3 size, sir.
Okay.
Means and the height will be 11, wait, 11,
Okay.
11 point,
That's fine.
11.7 to 16.5 height and width will be.
Okay. And what is the color mode?
CMYK, sir.
Good. And resolution you have kept?
250 pixels per inch.
Okay, cool. Thank you, Aishwarya. You submit your design if it is complete.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. You can leave the room.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, my network is not sufficient, so it will take some time to the design. The design will reach you after some time. Please excuse that.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, next person is Shabazz.
Yeah.
Shabazz, please turn on your camera and display your screen, sir.
Hi, Sabash. Can you
Hello, sir.
share your screen?
Share your screen.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, yes, you are. Shabaz, are you sharing your screen?
1 minute.
Yeah.
Is my screen visible, sir?
Yeah. So, Shabaz, what is the composition size here?
It is A3, sir.
Okay. And what is the color mode you are having?
CMKY, sir. CMYK.
Same by K. What font have you used?
No, Arial fonts. Calibri fonts.
Okay. Cool. Okay. Thank you, Shabaz.
Yes.
Shabaz, you can leave the
Right,
room.
okay, sir. I think 6 members completed, right, sir?
Can I leave, sir?
Yeah, you can leave.
Okay.
So there is one more person, right? Laila Rani.
Laila Rani, she's having some network issues. She'll join.
And Bhavani.
Bhavani, those two are having some network issues. They'll be joining.
Cool.
And the
Other
rest of-
than, yeah, we have spoke to 5 students. Fine.
Yes, the rest of the persons completed, right, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, only Bhavani and Laila Rani.
Bhavani and Laila Rani.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, sir. I'll shall we wait for 5 more minutes, or else you'll take it at the end of the session total for those two.
or yeah, we can do that also.
Okay, sir. Okay. So, okay, sir. Thank you for being here. Go ahead for your lunch, and we'll meet by 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, right? Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.